Hey there. Want to use Telegram but don't want to share your personal phone number? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple trick to get started without using your real number. Let's jump right in. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and must like this video. First, open the Telegram app and click Start Messaging. You'll see a screen asking for your phone number. But don't worry, we'll use a virtual number instead. Here's what you need to do. Open Google and search for free virtual number. Click on one of the websites from the results. Scroll through the list of virtual numbers and pick one you like. Once you've chosen a number, click the copy icon to save it to your clipboard. Now, go back to Telegram and paste the number in the box. Tap Next. Next step, head back to the website where you got the number. Refresh the page, and you'll see the verification code sent by Telegram. Copy that code and return to Telegram. Paste the code, and you're all set. That's how you use Telegram without your personal phone number. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.